Uthini uSibiya?
Hey, I remember Jana Sibiya said, immediately does not mean immediately now.
Sibiya!
You see, when we say immediately, it does not necessarily mean that close the shop now, leave everything and go.
It was immediate, but there was a meeting that was coming, indicating clearly that you were not talking about something to be switched off, and that's the end of the day. You go and sleep.
Nonsense.
Wena no General Sibiya enazi ukuthi immediately usho ukuthi slow or later nina nobabili.
Immediately, yes.
Yes.
But then it doesn't say, for instance, with immediate effect. It says immediately, meaning it's immediately, but not before.
Yay, mhluko fana loyo.
I think we must, all of us agree that immediately means now.
Amahlandla amaningi minister ovamisa ukuthi ngathi kuyayiphumela la kuwena.
I confirm that.
No one here is safe.
Tango.